Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best shower panels that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the AKDY AZ9878B Rainfall 58 inches shower panel system. Renovate your bathroom with this shower panel that is created with brushed stainless steel. It has sleek design that has 2 body spray jets, luxurious rainfall shower head and the handheld shower head. Each of them can function at the same time to make sure most relaxing and indulgent experience. Handheld shower head and tub filler make this shower panel a versatile style to any bathroom design, and the thermostatic controls and adjustable rainfall shower head ensure relaxation and comfort via flawless water temperature. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the AKDY 5333D LED aluminum shower panel. This shower panel will deliver a fantastic modern touch on your bathroom. It's made with a silver color emitting a touch of blue color, which is very beautiful and stunning. It has a modern Euro design made of aluminum alloy. The shower panel features a LED handheld shower head, a LED rain shower head, a glass shelf, a mirror and a tub spout. The shower panel will gives you 3 options for LED hues. And it is also durable and lightweight. It is intended to mount on a flat wall. It likewise has cold-hot pressure balance valve that is used to control temperature and has a display permitting you to have water of precise temperature. At number 3, we have the Spas Outlets Blue Ocean 48 inches SP822322 shower panel tower. This new comfortable shower panel is one of the decent shower panels you can get in the marketplace. The shower panel body is created with high-quality stainless steel and it has numerous functions, including a handheld shower head, overhead shower and a tub spout. 2 controllers are included on the panel to regulate for the handheld shower head, overhead shower, water temperature and tub spout. By purchasing this lavishing and unique shower panel, you are able to relish the higher level of experience on showering after every single day hard work. At number 2, we have the Blue Ocean Aluminum 52 inches SP787392B shower panel tower. Choosing the finest shower head is never simple, but with Blue Ocean Aluminum 52 inches that is loved by a lot of people. It has a design that suits well in your bathroom and remodels the whole bathroom. The Blue SPV 962332 Ocean is one of best rated shower panel based on its price, design, huge list of features, usability and the value for the cash. It is created with stainless steel and satin finish tempered glass that makes it look contemporary and elegant. And finally, at number 1, we have the Perfetto Kitchen 65 inches SP0056 shower panel tower system. SP0056 comes directly from Bath Woodworks and Perfetto Kitchen, providing an incredible quality for the value. If you have ever required embracing the dark color of the bathroom, now it is the correct time to do it. Because this is a 65 inches shower panel, you will be contented to see great features here. This system has numerous massage modes, there is a handheld one and overhead shower head. It has the angle-adjustable water jets that can hit your desired spot on the body with comfort. It also has 8 high-powered water spray jets. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.